Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix X login issues. Authentication errors solved step by step clearly. First, confirm you are typing the correct username, email, or phone number linked to your X account. Next, carefully retype your password and make sure caps lock is off and your keyboard language is correct. If you forgot the password, tap Forgot Password and complete the reset using your email or phone. Check your email inbox and spam folder for the reset code or link, and use it before it expires. If you use two-factor authentication, open your Authenticator app and enter the latest 6-digit code. If you lost 2FA access, use your backup codes if you saved them earlier. Make sure your device date and time are set to automatic because incorrect time can break 2FA codes. Switch your internet connection from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or restart your router to rule out network problems. Disable VPN or proxy temporarily because X may block logins from some masked locations. Try logging in from a different browser or a different device to see if the issue is device-specific. Clear your browser cache and cookies for X.com to remove corrupted login data. If you are on the X mobile app, force close the app and reopen it to refresh the login session. Update the X app to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play to avoid known bugs. Restart your phone or computer to clear temporary background processes that may interfere with login. Check if X is experiencing an outage by searching X down or visiting a status tracking site. If you see suspicious login warnings, complete the security challenge and verify your identity. Open your email account settings and ensure you can receive new messages from X without filters blocking them. If you change your phone number, update your account recovery options once you regain access. If you receive wrong password repeatedly, wait a few minutes to avoid temporary lockouts from too many attempts. If you get an authentication error, log out everywhere if possible, then try signing in again. Remove saved passwords in your browser or password manager and resave the correct one after a successful login. Turn off browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers that can prevent the login page from working. On mobile, disable private DNS or strict security apps briefly to test if they are blocking X connections. If you use a work or school network, try another network because firewalls can block authentication. Try the official login page at X.com and avoid third-party links that may fail or be unsafe. If your account may be compromised, change your password immediately and review recent login activity. Submit a request to X support with your username and a clear description if none of the steps work. Keep your account recovery email and phone updated after you regain access to prevent future login problems. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.